tutorial for application MetYou developed by Sanasoft. So here is the application. This is a contact management application. It has multiple features, so you can actually have multiple business cards of different people that you meet here. Let me delete all the cards that we already have here, so I select them all and then I press the delete button here, and then it says yes, so the trash can, so it's gone. So right now I don't have any cards. The user interface has three modes. You have meetings, you have cards, and you have profiles. Profiles is your own profile. So you can actually create a profile by putting your, for example, a picture of your business card and your contact details, or you can also create profiles by you can have multiple profiles. One of them can be your default profile, but that's this one, for example, is here. Put a picture, phone, and you can even add attachments and files to your profile. For example, your resume. In this case, I've put a video into the profile. You can even add videos to your profile. This is very cool. So you see, and you can actually keep change and edit. You can attach files, any kind of file, your resume, whatever. You can take pictures, or you can add normal contact things or any extra data that you want. So you basically create these profiles to be able to introduce yourself to people. When you meet people, you go into the meeting. In the meeting, you can actually, let's say you can create a new meeting. So I can just create a new meeting, and then you can even put a meeting description, my first meeting. If you don't put any note, it just puts the date and time of the meeting automatically. Then you click back on the page. When you are meeting people, when you want to share your business card with them, the up arrow is basically sending your default profile. If they are close to you, if they have the app, they just get it. For people who don't have the app, they can scan this QR code and they will just get the VCF part of your profile. But those people who have the app will get your full profile, which may include, as I said, attachments, resumes, portfolio of work, videos, with pictures of the business card and whatever. And when you meet people and they wanna share, if they have the app and they wanna send you their profile, you just press the down arrow, which is basically the download or receive, so on the right side, and it gives you two modes. So if all the communication is working and they have the app, they just bring the app close, you get it. But on the other hand, if they don't have the mic, the speakers or things, then you can still even scan QR codes like more traditional apps. But the QR code is not really necessary. It just receives it. We will show you another example later. And let's say you have met people who have given you the business cards, and you just need to scan the business cards that you are getting. So you just put the business cards and press the camera button in the middle, and here the light is too much, so let's just get some more reflection. Then you just, let's say I have gotten two business cards, I just press the camera. It identified two cards, and going back, it's actually doing the OCR. So it did the OCR, it extracted the information. The other features that you have is that, let's say you can actually go in, I have picked these I want to save them into the phone. So I can save into the phone, or I can export into other files in the VCF format, or I can share all of these things that I have received with others as well.